What's up, y'all? Just gonna make a little video real quick on how to make your own tree tube. So the tree tube would go around your chestnut. I grew some chestnut trees last year, and I need to put tubes on them. They're about 16, 18 inches tall. So what I did is I went to Lowe's and got some of these vinyl corrugated panels, what they call them, and some little screws. And all I'm doing is just cutting them down. They're big sheets and they were on clearance, but I'm cutting them down into smaller sections so I can just roll it and then put the screws in all the way down. I could even cut these in half if I want, but when I go to plant them, the tree will be inside and protected and will be stimulated to grow up the tube. Hope this helps because these are very inexpensive. The whole sheet was $7 on clearance for the vinyl, or for the, I call it fiberglass, but I guess it's vinyl. And I don't know, these self-drilling screws were a couple bucks each. Hope it helps. Leroy.